Alright, final video. It's now become just complete and utter pandemonium. Not sure if you can hear the sounds, but there's just 800 billion birds.
Or if you can see the dolphins and
There's
seals.
dolphins and seals, and there must be some kind of crazy fish gathering over here. There's just diving and jumping and crashing and squawking. It's really quite extraordinary. Yeah, it's just completely out of control. There's a, no one knows what that is. There's no end. It's going. There's a dolphin. It's just wildlife action. There's some kind of a seal or a sea lion, who even knows? It's just the Discovery Channel. One more final shot. Just watch some diving. It's just crazy. Pelicans just diving everywhere. Alright, I can't take it anymore. I can't take it. Go Avila Beach, California.